Hello and welcome to Nexudus Unlocked. In this video, we are going to take a look at the new Packages feature. Packages allow you to sell different offerings for a single floor plan unit. For example, you can use packages to contract your offices or units to different customers on different days, or offer different furnishing packages, such as basic or premium furnishings. This feature opens up a world of possibilities. Let's take a quick look at how you can easily create these packages. In each floor plan item record, there is a new Packages tab. This is where you can define the package details, such as the square footage, capacity, and price of the unit. And importantly, this is where you can define the package availability. Each offering will need a separate package. For example, you'd need to create 3 packages to offer a unit on Monday to Tuesday, Wednesday to Friday, and Saturday to Sunday. When you create proposals or contracts, you can specify which package a customer is signing up to in the Packages field in the Price section. To use the package pricing as the contract price, simply enable the Target Price toggle. That's about it for this update. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to our support team or check out our knowledge base at help.nexudus.com.